What's going on, guys? I'm here today in Weston, Florida, in a beautiful neighborhood called The Landings. And I'm right here on Mallard Lane. There's an open house. Sorry, it's a broker's open at the Sklar Team listing at 402 Mallard Lane. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, plus an office for $1.7 million on the water. I'm going to take you through a little tour of it. We just started the broker's open, so there's not many people here at the moment. It's pretty much just Rose and Leziette. So I'm going to take you inside. So this is the nice little foyer. So when you walk in, it's pretty open. You got rectified porcelain tile on the floor. It looks like wood. Then when you turn to your right, this is the primary bedroom. So it's actually pretty cool because you have the basic primary bedroom, what you would expect one to look like, and of course, the primary bathroom. But you also have a little den area that the owners or the sellers use as their office. So this is that extra office. 5 bedrooms plus an office. Got a nice view of the pool. I'm going to take you back into the living area. We got impact almost all around, except for the parts where there's accordion shutters. It's a cool little pantry. Looks like a vault. You can slide it open right next to the bar. So this house was built in 1996, like many of the houses here in Weston, late 90s, mid to late 90s. It's got a nice little awning, shaded area, and here's the pool with a beautiful lake view. Jacuzzi, spa area. So the Landings has a lot of lakes, wide lakes too. This is a really wide lake. And the Landings is right on Glades, zoned for Cypress Bay High School. The roof is from 2021. And let's go in the other bedrooms. Here we've got one bedroom. And this other area with the split AC unit. Another bedroom. And a renovated bathroom. It's got a nice outdoor impact. And that's pretty much it.
But there's extra space upstairs. It's just not really a room.
Again, this house is $1.7 million. And if you're interested, it is a Sklar Team listing.